Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have an amazing video for you guys today. We are jumping right into the volatile housing market. There's some key things that I want to talk to you about. A lot of you guys might feel a little bit frustrated. How come we're not seeing a big drop? I don't think we're going to see a big drop anytime soon. I think if best case scenario, we might go sideways. As sad as that makes me in some ways, we just can't avoid some of the facts that we're seeing on the ground. Okay, look, here are four key points, okay, that basically outline why, we might not see a crash. Okay, check this out. Forecasts for home price decline this year are moderating. Zillow now expects a light increase. Now, Zillow would expect a light increase only because we are also going into summer. Summer always brings the housing prices up, right? People just, there's more activity. Now, I know we're going to have higher interest rates, but I just still think the prices are going to go up because it's. I'll show you the curves in just a second. Inventories are climbing. But below pre-COVID levels, and existing home sales are stabilizing. That's also, we have been going sideways. Now, the rates are going up. They have gone up in the last week. We know that the rates are probably going to go up in the next few months as the Federal Reserve, continues their rate hikes. So that will slow it down. But again, you're fighting that summer rush, right? Is the interest rates going to be able to be enough to really dampen that summer rush? I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, Zillow is expecting a slight increase. Obviously, Zillow would expect a slight increase as, they they're in the business of, selling homes. Remember, they sell ads, and the people that advertise on Zillow are people like real estate agents. Anyways, this is very important. Unlike look, so the biggest housing market declines have occurred in cities that soared in 2021. So, cities that basically were super duper inflated, places like Boise, those have been coming back down. But in general, a lot of the Midwest is going pretty sideways right now. Now, check this out. Unlike 2008, people have more savings and jobs and less bad mortgage loans, with 85% of homeowners under 5% rate. That is the key. Nobody in their right mind is going to want to give up that 3% rate that they're on. It's just free money. It makes your payment every month so low. So as long as that many people have a low rate like that, people are going to stay put. It's going to slow down the housing market. It's probably going to have less buyers. But again, when prices are up, then some people usually are going to be more motivated to sell. Now, if we jump over to the Redfin weekly housing market data, I have it set to Portland. We're going to check out Portland in a little bit, and I'll tell you why. But check this out. So if we see new listings, this is Portland, Oregon. Okay, so we have more listings going up, as like I said, in the summer months, more people list. But if we jump into the median home price, look at that. They're starting to peak, and they're peaking a little earlier than the previous years. Let me put 2020 right here. So this is 2020. Look at this. Look, literally the housing prices are stabilizing. This is going to keep inflation high too, guys, because, the more equity people have in their homes, the more they're going to want to spend, and it just makes everything like inflation is not good. So this is it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up, but how high? I don't think we're gonna see all-time highs. We're probably gonna be somewhere in between these 2020 no, I'm sorry, 2021 and 2022. But we're just gonna have to see. Let's see what the rate hikes are going to do. Let's see how it dampens it. But again, right now, doesn't look like it's going to slow down. If anything, it's going to go sideways, in my opinion. Okay, so check this out. If we jump over to Portland, Oregon, like I said, I was looking at the chart, but this is, Portland, Oregon's chart does look a lot like the rest of the United States. Now, this is a very nice area. I always like to monitor Portland because for me, it's a good indicator of how the housing market is doing as a whole. This is a really nice area. Let's see what we can get. Now, look, homes are still pretty expensive all around here, like $1 million, 700,000. Well, let's see if something looks good. But yeah, that's what we're looking at, guys. I mean, it's I hate to say it, you know, I wanted to see big drops, but fact is, a lot of people are employed, right? Going back over here, we have more people have more savings and jobs, and more people are spending, which is making businesses somewhat grow. Here's a nice house for $540,000. Look, it's tiny, 1,200 square foot. This is pretty expensive, but it is in a nice neighborhood. Once you walk in, it's not like totally move-in ready. Those floors are totally jacked up. This to me, oh, the kitchen is nice though. But yeah, this seems okay, but definitely overpriced in my opinion for the amount of square footage. The backyard is kind of nice. So, you know, if we're expecting prices to rise, you know, this wouldn't be the worst time to maybe, if you're interested in buying a house, to start looking or something, because you know this house right here, for example, 625, 1,600 square foot. I think it's a little bit too expensive, but you know maybe in the summer it could be another $35,000 on top of this. So, you know, it's like in you know savings, if you can save a little bit. Yeah, it's to me it's still pretty expensive, guys. It's still pretty expensive, unfortunately. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this video. If you guys want me to review a certain city, please go ahead, comment down below, and I will jump in and make you that video. Things have not come down as much as I would want them to. Things are expensive, and it sort of sucks, but, you know, that's where we are. Okay, guys, if you do like my videos, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and go ahead and like and leave a comment. I love making these videos. I make these videos daily, and they're a lot of fun. Sometimes, you know, I have to go out of town or whatever, so I can't make them. But if you know, if the YouTube channel eventually grows to a sustainable level, then yeah, I would probably take my recording studio on the road so I could make you guys daily videos anywhere I go. So if you guys do like my commentary and you enjoy this, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and go ahead and like and leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.